guys, and welcome to another vlog. It's Saturday. Actually another nice day. I don't know how many nice days we're gonna get in a row before Canberra freaks out and changes on us again, but we'll see. Not sure what I'm gonna do today yet. I have a super sore back and neck, so I'm gonna do a bunch of rolling on that, and yeah, just sort of see what happens. Good old groom, what are you doing? See ya. Bye. I'm going. I do think we're going to build up the frame today, so excited for that. See you, kids. We're going to take you out later, okay? But yeah, I'm only a bit off. But we'll see. I don't feel great, but... see you guys later. Jeez, who did this one up? Wheel off. This is the cranks and chain I'm going to use for the new one. It's Shimano DXRs, which are more commonly mountain bike ones, but they're very sick, really solid. Still going to chuck these brakes on. Get out of the shot! God, your breath is disgusting.
Baby.
On the bike, a little test run up to the ovals and film some drone stuff for it. What are you doing? Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed that build. There are a few things changing. I'm not keeping those wheels for very long. I'm just waiting for to get the new ones. They're probably gonna be box rims, Onyx hubs most likely, and I'm also changing the bars and possibly the brakes. Not sure yet, but there'll be a few different things on there. So looking forward to that. But hope you guys enjoyed this little build vlog. And yeah, make sure you hit me up on Instagram, Twitter, all that. HAZNATIONBMX. And thanks for watching, guys. Peace.